Hey y'all, so I got this recording a bit late here because whenever I would click on the NQ window on my OBS, it would just keep only opening the ES window. But I figured it out. So, basically, what we have here is an uptrend with a two-legged break. We have this clear support right here. You know, two legs back, perfect measured move. And that's what we're buying here. Now, I did get in a little higher than I wanted, but considering how low and early you're buying anyway, when buying these measured moves, it's not really a big deal. So yeah, 115 ticks, fading up into this range right here. It's about halfway through, looking to make a new high for this uptrend right here, which has a break when we can expect price to attempt a new high. So that's basically the idea behind this trade. I'm going to let this play out, and I'll see y'all later. Alright, we are out. I just did the 10 a.m. post while that was going on. And yeah, so that was this trade right here, uptrend, two-legged break, looking to make a new high. Basically fading this range right here. It didn't have super, obvious lows, but, it was clearly going sideways here. This was the lowest swing, and price broke out. We can expect an attempt to fade back in, combined with a new high attempt right at this down measured move. So I really like this trade right here. And just to be clear, and explain more, I got in right after price ticked that. It barely did not fill. I just had it slightly too low, and then I kind of just chased it up a little bit, entering up to there. Which occurred for me, I believe. That's right. Right after this bar opened, went up. That's when I got the fill. And so I just wanted to explain that. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video. I'm pretty tired today. I'm probably not going to, do any more recording, or I might even be done trading. But I will get this uploaded, and yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow.